Okay, so next question is question number 4. So basically what we were discussing is differentiation, right? How to differentiate implicit function. Now we have seen. Okay, so see here, your function is given xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y. So they have asked you to find out basically dy by dx, right? So with respect to x, we have to differentiate. Dy by dx means what? You have to differentiate all function with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, so this function we are going to differentiate with respect to x. So see here, so in implicit function, what we used to do, whole equation we used to differentiate with respect to x, right? So we used to write like this: y square is equal to ddx of 10x plus ddx of y. So what you will get from here? Now see, this is of the form uv, right? uv form, product is there, x into y, so uv form. So we will use that formula here. So what you will get, one, you keep it as it is. So let me keep x as it is. Next you have to derive, so dy by dx, you have to differentiate y with respect to x, right? Next I will keep this one as it is, the other one I will derive with respect to x, dx with respect to x. Okay, plus next this one, in this case again this is of what form? X square form, but in place of this x, what you have? Y, right? Now this y can be anything, sine x squared, anything it might be. So this you have to differentiate again. In place of x you have something different, means you have to differentiate that one again, right? Chain rule. So this is first of the form x square, so for that 2x was the form, right? So in place of x you have y, that's why I'm writing y here, 2x, then power 1 decrease, so it will be 1. Now next, in place of x you have different function, so you have to differentiate that again. So again y you have to differentiate with respect to x, so you will get dy by dx here is equal to, next this one, ddx of 10x. 10x, what is the differentiation? Sec square x, right? Plus dy by dx. You can't do anything here, right? So you will differentiate y with respect to x. So if you know y, you can easily differentiate. Anyway, this is y, so we will leave it as it is. Now what you have to find is dy by dx. So dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. I will take common and will try to keep it alone and rest in the other side. That will be your answer. Okay, so this is 1. So let's take dy by dx common. Dy by dx. What will be left out here? X plus this one dy by dx, 2y. Then if you bring this one this side, it will be minus dy by. So what will be left out? Minus 1. So you can see, if I multiply, I will get this one. If I multiply with this, I will get this one. If I multiply with this, I will get this one, right? So rest in the other side I will keep. So this is already in the other side, sec square x. Then what I will bring? This one. This is 1. So what you left out? Only y. So y, if I have to bring that side, minus y, right? So I have to find dy by dx. So let's keep it alone, dy by dx alone here, and this let's bring that side. So what it will be? It is in the form of product, so it will become division, right? Y by x plus 2y minus 1. So that's your answer. Dy by dx, we got it. Okay, so next, number 5. So it's quite interesting to solve differentiation problem. Okay, y plus y square is equal to 100. So this also differentiating with respect to x. What you will get? So this one, dx of x square plus, again uv form, this one, xy plus ddx y square is equal to ddx 100, right? So this one, what it will give? It is of the form x square only, right? So in place of x, it is there, so once only differentiate. 2x dx by dx, only 1 it will give, right? So this will be 2x only. Next, this one, uv form, so x, keep it as it is, dy by dx. Next time, y, keep it as it is, dx by dx. So I will write just simply 1 only, plus here 2y, this is of the form x square, but in place of x you have different, right? X square. So x square form means 2x again, y you have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now see, this is independent variable here. If it is independent, same variable here, then you have to write only 2x. You don't have to go for again chain rule. Actually you have to go for, but if you do that, you know that you will get 1. For example, if you have like this, suppose with respect to 2t you have to differentiate, and you have t squared suppose. So some student might get confused here. You might do that, since in place of x you have t, so you might be thinking that 2t, then you will differentiate again t, right? Some student might write like this, dt by dx, like that. Now see here, with respect to t you have to differentiate. Independent variable is t, so you can think like this: independent variable is t, and this one in terms of t only. Your dependent variable is also in terms of t here, right? So you can see same variable. So when it is same variable, remember this denominator which you have used to have, it will be always with respect to that only, independent. So this will become 1 only. It's like x only, you can say d dx x square, like that only you can see. Okay, so don't get confused. See your independent variable what it is. Here it is different, that's why chain rule. Okay, if it would have been x, then here it will be x, here it will be x, then you will get 1 here. Understood? So don't get confused when it is t here, because we are going to deal with such kind of question also. Here t, here t. If it is so, then you know that it will be like x value only. Okay, so don't get confused there. So you just see this independent variable and this is same or not. If it is same, then think about this one carefully, chain rule carefully. Okay, is equal to this one. So ddx of constant is 0. Okay, so next what you will get, 2x plus, okay, let's take after this directly dy by dx I can take common, right? Dy by dx, from this I can take common, what you will get, x. From this also I can take common, plus 2y. Rest you bring in the other side, so you will get minus 2x minus y. This and this I brought this side. Okay, after that dy by dx, keep it alone, this bring this side, so you will get minus 2x minus 2y by x plus 2y. Okay, so that's your answer. You can take minus common also if you want. Okay, anyway, this will be your answer. So next question is question number 6. Number 6, what it is, x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. So differentiating with respect to x, right? So ddx of x cube plus ddx of x square y plus ddx xy square ddx, this is quite lengthy but simple again, is equal to ddx 81. So this is 0, you know, right? So let's differentiate this one. So what you will get here, you can see independent variable is x, here also x, so this is of the form x cube, right? So you will get 3x square. So if you do chain rule here, again dx by dx you will get, right? Dx by dx, it's 1, same variable, that's why, plus ddx this one. Now this is of which form, uv form, where your u is x square and v is y. So let's do it. U I will keep it as it is and differentiate the other one. Next y I will keep it as it is, differentiate the other one, that is ddx x square I will differentiate. Okay, if you are expert enough with this solving part, then you can skip this step and directly also you can differentiate here. Okay, what will be the differentiation of this one, 2x only, right? Directly you can write 2x. Okay, this become one more lengthy line. Okay, if you do with proper one, that is if you don't know how to differentiate directly, then one step will be more for you, and in exam if you skip this step also and directly if you do also, your marks won't be deducted. Okay, anyway, uv form again, this one, right? So this one I was doing, right? This is done. Okay, now this one also uv form, so ddx uv form. Now here u is this one, v is this one, so u I will keep it as it is, the other one I will differentiate, y square. Okay, plus this I will keep it as it is, the other one I will differentiate, dx I will differentiate, x I will differentiate, so ddx by dx by dx, plus again this one. Now see, this is of the form x cube, but see independent variable is x, this is y, different, right? In place of x you have different, so y cube this is of the form x cube. So what is the differentiation of that? 3x square it will be, right? So in place of x, what you have? Y. If you differentiate x cube, you will get 3. This will come as coefficient and 1 power less, right? So 3y square. Now again, since in place of x you have different, you have to differentiate that again. So dy by dx, again you have to differentiate, is equal to ddx of constant is 0. Okay, so if you differentiate at once these things which you know, then one step will be shorter. The one which I will write now, that you can write here actually. Okay, if you are expert in solving, so you need to practice for that. So 3x square plus, now I will solve this part, dy by dx. I don't have to solve this you have to solve again, plus y. Now d dx square, what is the differentiation of this? 2x plus this one, again I will leave it. Now this one again, y square you have to differentiate, so y square, this is of the form x square. So if you differentiate that, you will get 2x 1 power less, so power is 2, so 1 power less means it will become 1, so I don't have to write. Now in place of x you have difference, so again you have to differentiate dy by dx. Okay, plus this one again leave it as it is, y square, dx by dx is 1, so done, plus 3y square dy by dx. Can't do anything, this one 0, right? So let's take dy by dx common, this and rest let's bring in the other side, dy by dx common. If you take common, what will be left out here? X square. Here what will be left out? Plus 2xy. Here what will be left out? Plus 3y square. Okay, equal to, rest I will bring in the other side, this and this I will bring in the other side, so it will be minus 3x square minus, or shall we write in bracket? Okay, let me write separately, 2xy minus y square. Okay, done. Everything I brought in the other side. Now this bring in the other side and keep it alone. That's what we have to find out, right? Dy by dx, dy by dx, this you bring in the other side, minus 3x square minus, this is like solving equation only, y minus y square by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So that will be your answer. You can take O minus common also. Okay, so next is your sine function and cos function is there, right, in the equation. So it's similar only. Number 7. So differentiating question I'm not writing here. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. So directly I will do. You have to, okay, let me write sine square y plus cos xy is equal to k. That is, k is your constant here. Okay, or is it kappa? Let me write k only, constant. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x. So with respect to x I have to differentiate this, right? So d dx sine square y plus d dx cos xy is equal to d dx of constant. So if I differentiate this one, this is of the form, this can I write outside bracket here like this, sine square y means, can I write sine y whole square? I can write this one like this, right? So this is of the form x square. So for x square, what is the differentiation? 2x. So in place of x you have sine y, right? So power less, 1 power less means this will be 1. So this is of the form x square, so the differentiation is 2x. Now in place of x you have difference, so you have to differentiate this one again. So d dx of sine y. So let me differentiate directly. Okay, let me write down, otherwise you will get confused. Sine y. Okay, this I have to differentiate again, plus this one again. So this is of the form cos x, but in place of x you have xy, so you have to differentiate this one again. So this is of the form cos x, right? So what is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sine x. So in place of x you have xy, so you have to differentiate this xy again, right? Is equal to differentiation of constant is 0. Now this one 2 sine y. You just have to be little careful when you differentiate and when you use chain rule. Okay, so d dx sine y. Now d dx sine y means what form? Sine x form, right? Sine x, what is the differentiation? Cos x. But in place of x, y you have, so you have to differentiate that one again. Okay, that's why I didn't do in one step, otherwise you would have you might have get confused here, so that's why I've done in the next step. Okay, so this one plus minus, it will be minus only, right? Now sine xy. Now differentiating xy, this is of the form uv, so x I will differentiate, let me write in bracket. This is multiplication, okay? This into this, everything whatever comes out here will be multiplied. That's why I'm writing in bracket. If I don't use bracket, you know in this differentiation plus will come, so you might think that this is separate, so it's not separate. Okay, this must get multiplied with this, so that's why I'm writing inside bracket. It's always better to use the bracket. So x I'm leaving as it is, I'm differentiating y. Next y I'm leaving as it is, I'm differentiating x is equal to 0. Now just solve and keep y alone, that dy by dx alone, that's it. So 2 sine y cos y dy by dx minus sine x y, let me take x common here, x outside, x first I will write down, sine xy, then dy by dx minus plus minus y sine xy this is dx by dx, so that is 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is 1. So dy by dx, can I take common between these two? And this one I will bring that side. So dy by dx, check if I make any mistake here. Okay, dy by dx I have taken common, so what is left out here? 2 sine y cos y, here what is left out? Minus x sine xy, okay, is equal to this one. Let's bring this side, y sine xy. So after that, bring this one this side, that will be your answer. Dy by dx is equal to y sine xy by this, bring this side, so 2, okay, this one 2 sine y cos y, can I write sine twice y, because sine twice theta, what was the formula? Remember, sine twice theta, 2 sine theta cos theta, that form, right? This one also 2 sine theta cos theta, this is your theta here, so sine 2 theta, okay, that form, minus, just to make it short I have written like that, so x sine xy, that's it. Okay, next are all also exactly same. You try that question, and from question number 9 I will show you tomorrow. Okay, from question number 9, 8 you try yourself. That is very simple question. It is given sine square x plus cos square y equal to 1. So if you differentiate, it will be of the form x square form, right? So in place of x it is different, so try to differentiate that again. Okay, try to use chain rule carefully and with understanding. If you missed out something here, means if you don't understand right now, then it will be very difficult in the next questions. Okay, so try to understand carefully chain rule. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I will show you more example based on chain rule. Okay, and I will explain you there how to deal with chain rule if you have doubt, and if you have understood, that's fine, we will move on. Okay.